нас авария носителя, да?
Is it emergency booster 2 minutes 45 seconds? The emergency, the failure of the booster.
Авария носителя.
Failure of the booster.
Есть БС. Есть БС.
БС, yes, БС.
Разделение.
Separation.
Питание рук включаю. Да?
Enable power.
Так.
190 seconds into the flight, Soyuz traveling about 4,700 miles per hour.
Don't be in a hurry. Бурлаки, copy.
По ощущениям находимся в невесомости.
We are in weightlessness, according to our sensations.
Так. Сейчас один момент. Нужно.
Stand by.
Да, Ник. Да, выбери. Бурлаки, АФП F1 горит у вас?
Бурлаки, do you have F1 illuminated?
Аварий 11:42.
11:42:17. Failure. 11:42:17 is the time of the failure. F1 on SP is illuminated. Copy.
Головной обтекатель сошел у нас.
His shroud is separated. The crew is feeling well. Everything is well. On board, we have routes in our hands, and the power is on. Copy. So what are the recommendations of the ground? What about the separation? Did the separation go through? Yes, it did. 11:42:55. Бурлаки, did you deactivate roost power? No. Did you activate the roost power? Yes, the roost power is on. ON. Now, please send BS command. Ballistic descent command is sent from roost controller. Copy. 11:45:30. BS has been sent. We have the indicator illuminated. The overload has started. Yes, we are getting ready for the deload. Time 12:46. Deload is 6.7. Copy. We feeling rotation. The deload is going down. 18:46:20. Deload is 272 and going down. Copy, Бурлаки. So tighten the straps in work.
Hearing there that there has been an issue with the booster, and we're standing by for information as we continue to get it from the Russian flight control team, but everything seems to be fine with the crew. We had good comm with them, and they are okay. We'll continue to wait for more information. Team here in Mission Control continuing to work with their counterparts in Moscow, getting more information on the contingency that interrupted today's launch to the International Space Station of the Soyuz MS-10. They did have a problem with a booster not long after launch that led the Soyuz to go into what's called a ballistic descent mode, bringing it home back to Earth early. The search and rescue teams are already in the air. They took off at about 3:55 a.m. Central Time, and we expect it to take about an hour and a half for them to reach the location where the Soyuz is now expected to touch down. We'll continue to provide more information as it's available. You can stay tuned here for continuing updates. Soyuz making its way into space. Everything looking good, proceeding nominally.
Inaudible.
And we have the escape tower for the Soyuz now jettisoned.
Separation.
And we have the escape tower for the Soyuz now jettisoned.
Separation. 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 Separation.
And we have the escape tower for the Soyuz now jettisoned.